Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your screen is zoomed in on your Xbox One. So if we hold down the Xbox button, this menu will open up. If we go all the way to the right, there might be an option to turn it off. So just move with the right stick. And you can see, press the button with the two little boxes on it to turn off magnifier. So you can just turn it off right there. Otherwise, go to settings. Go down to accessibilities and go to magnifier, and you can turn it on and off right here too. Now we might want to go to warn me when you turn this on, but I noticed like sometimes when you're in the middle of video games, I don't know, you can hold this down and then press this real quick and you can zoom in on a specific object. So maybe you're playing Call of Duty, you're trying to snipe or something, I don't know. So you can look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.